Yes, so my people, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Queen Mirabelle, and if this is your first time of joining this channel, good morning, good afternoon, ndewo, bonjour, hola, akwa, ijiwa, waga, assalamu alaikum. So you are here today. Don't mind me, we are using our smartphone, creating how you can earn money online using your same smartphone without spending without spending a dime. Rather, you will be gaining a lot. Like, you earn more than $10 every single day, and you are entitled to withdraw, and your withdrawal will get to your bank account, your PayPal account, within 48 hours. So guys, let's roll. If you're looking for YouTube channel, if you're looking for a channel where you can learn how you can make money like every single day, come on, what are you waiting for? You are the right place. Don't be an outsider. Please hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up so that it can get to much people like you, and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified anytime I upload my video. So without wasting much of your time, guys, let's jump right there. So I got this secret site where I can actually make some cash without spending much time. So let's get down to business. First of all, go down low. Yes, first of all, go down low. It's loading. Go down low. First of all, go down. It's my little secret, but I'm going to share this with you guys because I love you so much. Don't mind the language, it's gonna change. So let's get down to business. So you see, like what I was saying earlier, the more people you bring, the more money in your bank account. So guys, just give it a few seconds to load to English language. So yeah, it's now an English language. So for you people that have doubting spirit, I cast it out. Now you can see I was be able to make 4,645 Nigerian naira in just bringing this 4 people, you know, 4 people, like 4 people. I was be able to make this amount of money. Can you imagine when you bring like 10 to 15 people? Do you know how much you can be able to make? So guys, let's get down to business. Like, I'm gonna log out right now so that I can teach you how you can successfully register in this particular platform. So let's go. First of all, introduction. So you see, this is a server, and up to $4 by servers. Answer servers and earn up to 200 every month, but this particular thing is more than 200 every month because you can make more than that within a week if you are serious, like bringing more people, earning more. That is, you know, they talk about paid servers. CNN is with this channel, and BBC, NBC, and ABC, you see. So they will ask you how much you want to win every day, like how much you want to make every day. As a sharp babe, now me, I prefer 20,000 or more. So you see, you got to fill these forms, like your names, your email address, your password, your nationality, your birth month, year, and all that, etc. So after filling all these things, you got to click here, and we go. You have submitted everything, hence you have filled this thing. Make it to be correct with your bank account. So now that you have successfully registered, so let's log in. Like, I'm going to log into my own account right now. So talking about logging into your account, I got to put my email and all that, etc, blah 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 and all that. Like, I am logging myself in. Forget about this language of a thing. My English is gonna translate it within a sec. I told you. It's coming. Yes, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. You see? It's coming. Oh yo yo, 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 coming. Oh yo yo. Why are you taking long? Okay, finally it's here. So when you get to here, they will show you some surveys. They will be giving you some rewards for coming into this particular platform. The reward is so huge. Like, my reward is so huge and your reward is so huge. You know, when you 24,000 ng, like, seriously, I've been able to earn this thing like twice. Hence, you complete 2 surveys, you earn it. You complete 5 surveys, you earn it. You complete this, you earn it. You sign up for push notification, you earn it. Come back tomorrow and complete survey, you earn it. Log in for 15 days, then complete the surveys, you earn it. Come on, girl. This is legit. Like, I've been able to earn a lot from this platform, like a lot. Now let's go over to my sponsor, like people that I referred, my referrers. You know, the people that I refer to this particular platform. Like, I just decided to do some refers, hence I'm making some money. I decided not to do the referring. So, but to God be the glory, I managed to get some few people here. You can see the date and all that. This is pure legit. It's just few days ago I could be able to make 4,656 naira within just days without stressing myself. So you can be able to do this. That's why we are here to help you. So if you are looking for the link to this particular site, don't worry. You don't have to worry. The link is down to the description button. Kindly go to the description section and click the link below to start your surveil site joining using your smartphone and earn big. Don't forget to share your testimony with me on the number or WhatsApp number down in the description button. I love you. Don't touch that. Keep on watching Queen Mirabels TV. It's all about money making site using your smartphone. I love you. Don't touch that.